Hey, this is Chris from GuitArmy, and in this lesson we're going to be taking a look at how to play lick number 2. It is a blues lick out of the key of A minor. Let's take a look at how to play it. Alright, this is lick number 2 of my lick series for GuitArmy, and this happens to be a lick number 2. It is a blues lick in A minor. I created this lick because in position 1, right here for A minor, you know, the main pentatonic lick area that everyone uses, I just wanted to do something down here in this position. I'm not a huge fan of this area here. You have the root here. So I thought there must be something cool I can come up with a lick kind of right in this area for A minor. So this is what I ended up coming up with. Play it faster. Alright, so that is the lick. I will go through it nice and slow. One more time, nice and slow. Now let's go through and analyze, and I will tell you how each note functions in the key of A minor or A minor blues. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Alright, so for the lick, I start off with playing this E and this A right here. I use these two fingers, my third and fourth finger. That happens to be the fifth and the root in A minor. So I play those. And then I go down here. I have this D here, which is the fourth. So this is the fifth and this is the fourth. So I go, and I play this D and this A at the same time. So that's the fourth note of the scale and the root. So we go. And then I hammer down on the second string, 4th fret. I do a hammer on pull off. And what I'm doing there is I'm hammering, this is the 4th note in the scale, this D. I'm hammering down to E flat, which is the flat 5 or the blues note, and then I'm pulling back off to the 4. And then I'm playing this note C here, which is the minor third of the scale, where it goes 1, 2, flat 3. So after I do that, I go back and play these two notes, the D and the A here at the same time. So I get. Then I come over here onto the third string and play the fifth fret here, which is C. Then I get down and play the root, which is A. Then I play G, which is the flat 7th, the minor 7th. Then I go back to the root here, which is A. So it looks like this. So now I'm going to go ahead and play through it a couple times, nice and slow, and I would like you to play along with me. 3, 4. Try again, maybe a little slower. 3, 4, 1. One more time. 3, 4, 1. My students will say to me, I need some blues licks. Can you show me some blues licks? I generally tell people, obviously, learn the main basic blues licks, but try to create some of your own and infuse your own style into it. But I get that people just want kind of like a lick vocabulary, and I think this lick is able to get into that vocabulary. I think it should be in there. It gives you a blues lick to play in what I consider position 5 of A minor. And this, you can play this in any key very easily. You just have to keep in mind of what key you need to play it in. If I need to play this in the key of C, I find C on the first string, and then I can go. Or maybe say D. It really doesn't matter. I can play it anywhere. B. I can play it anywhere I want very quickly, so that's why I think it's just a good lick to have in your library. If you like this video and you want to learn more guitar licks, make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you click on that notification bell so that you get notifications when I come out with more guitar licks. Thanks for watching.